students, welcome to my channel Learning Hub. So agenda of this video is printing a dictionary. We have already learned. We will learn about JSON notation. Then we will go ahead with the example in which we will count the existence of a frequency of elements of a list in a particular dictionary. So we will start with JSON. Now JSON is basically, the full form is Java Script Object Notation. It is a notation that is used to Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Learning Hub. So we will move ahead with dictionary now. So we already learned how to dictionary transversal printing of dictionary. So we will move ahead with printing dictionary using JSON, and one more example I'll just demonstrate and explain how we can create a dictionary which will keep the count of the elements of the list. So first of all, JSON. JSON it stands for Java Script Object Notation. So this is a notation that is used to basically store the structured data, to represent the data, to exchange the data. We use this notation. If suppose dictionary, it is used when the dictionary is too large. So when the dictionary is too large, so it is not organized in a proper way. So it is very difficult to read the dictionary. In that case, we can use JSON. Simply, JSON has a function that is dumps. These functions can be used to print the dictionary with the indent. Indent means it will, first of all, it will be, the items will be properly organized. So with this we can have indent. Indent is equal to 3. So if we are trying to print this dictionary using print command, it will print the dictionary. Suppose our dictionary is, it will print 1, it will leave the space. Start from here, 3 characters space it will leave, then 1 and A, then comma 2, then B, comma 3, then C, and so on. And in this way it will print the complete dictionary and close the braces. In this way, if the dictionary is printed in this way, the dictionary is more readable. Now we will move ahead with this example. So this is a program which will count, suppose this is the string, it will count the frequency of each and every word. Means Python, suppose, is coming 2 times, it will create a dictionary in which Python is a key and frequency is number of times it has occurred. After this comma is then 1. Oh sorry, is repeated 2 times. That is basically, it will count the existence of a particular word, frequency of a particular word in a string or in a list also. So first of all, it is, because it is using a list, so we will first convert this string into list. To convert any string into list, I have already explained before, we have a split function. Split function basically breaks the string by whatever argument we are using here. If it is empty, so it will check for the sequence, empty sequence, wherever it will get a space, because nothing is there. So wherever it will get the space, it will break it into the element of the dictionary. So here, so it will basically contain Python, comma, is, comma. In this way it will create a list. So in this way list will be created. Now we will access each and every element of the list, means we are accessing each and every word of the list. So for word in L means it will check. Now this will be converted to a list. So first time it will see Python will come in word. If word not in dictionary means if it is not present in the dictionary. Right now we have empty dictionary. No, it is not present. So this will be executed. It will come here. C is the count of number of time it has occurred, and count is a function which I have already explained in my previous video, that counts the number of times a particular word has occurred, a particular element has occurred in the list. So it will count the occurrence of Python in this whole list. So obviously C will become 2. Now we have added this word to the dictionary. So dictionary will now contain Python colon 2. After this it will see is. Again it will check whether it is not in dictionary. No, it is not in dictionary. So it will check the count of is. Count is again 2. So it will add is to the dictionary and so on. Finally when this word is encountered, so it will come here, word not in D. No, it is present in T. So it will, because this word is present, so this word will be skipped. It will not be counted again. And finally we will get this output. Now again, if you want to print the output in a proper manner, you can use print json dot dumps and then name of dictionary, indent is equal to 2, 3, 4, whatever indent you want. So in this, so what kind of output you will get? Dictionary, Python, 2, is, 2, and in a vertical manner, in a proper manner you will get the output.
So you can see here I've written small program which will demonstrate how we can use JSON. It is a module. So before using JSON we have to import it. So import JSON is a statement that will be used to import JSON module. I have taken a long dictionary. You can see here when we will print this dictionary, I'll show you. If I am printing this dictionary, you can see the organization of data is not very clear if it is a long dictionary. So that is very complicated to differentiate the different values and pairs. So that is why we use JSON to organize the data. So JSON has a function that is dumps, that will be used to, this is the function, this is how we will use it, json.dumps, and D is the dictionary. Indent is the distance, that is this distance from here to here, the distance which we want to keep, that is the number of characters we want to leave, the space which we want to leave while printing each and every pair. So when we will run this program, you can see here the distance, this is the distance, this is the distance which we will, you can see this much of distance it has left. So you can now see the difference. This was before using JSON, and this is after using this JSON. You can see easily the pairs, keys, values can easily be segregated from each other. We can easily identify it. This is the benefit of using JSON. Now the second program is to count the frequency of words in any string. This is the string. So you can ultimately our dictionary should contain first key as hello and value as 1, 2, 3 times. You can see hello is repeated, so its frequency should be its value. Similarly, students should be key and 1 should be value. this is the program. So I've taken a dictionary here, and this list s.split, this function will convert this string into list with each element as a word. Split is according to the whatever we are using as argument. The space is taken to split the string into list elements. So I have printed this list to show you how it will be converted to list. Finally, for loop I have used to access each and every element of the list. That means it will access the word. So first time the word is in I. First word will be in I. If it will check if it is not in dictionary, then if it is not in dictionary, initially it is empty dictionary. So count will contain, we can take it as count, or if you are confused you can take it as C. C will contain the count of that particular word. Count is a function of list that will count the occurrence of a particular element in the list. Now C will contain number of times, the frequency of that word, that is number of times that word is repeated in the list. Next time, when suppose in first time hello :3 is there in the dictionary. Second time when hello is encountered, it will check I not in dictionary, that is it is there, so it will not count again. So this is the program. I'll run this program. Now you can see here, this was the list, and finally hello 3 students 1, this one tutorial 1 will throw light, whatever. So you can see the dictionary is created.
My dear students, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.